Nice, man. I like that way you got your logo for your brand, Underground Power. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we've actually got that LED lit inside of it, as
Yeah.
well as we've got 5 rows of LEDs back and forth on the
There you go. Wow, heavy duty door.
Yeah. Just leave that open.
Leave it open?
Yep, for the moment. We'll do a couple music runs or something, and then then I'll seal you up if you want.
Okay. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Nathan Centers, owner of Underground Power. I've got a 2004 BT Chrysler. We've got 3 Resilient Sounds Team 18s. Flatwall 16.5 cubes, tuned to 35. 6 MD8Ks, 1 on a piece, 1 per coil. 2 smart 3Ks on the doors, 16 8-inch sky-high mids, 4 4-inch super tweets.
Wow.
My Scar on 2 2K.4s.
Man.
3 100 amp hour lithium, excuse me, and 2 320 amp alternators.
All right. Underground Power. All right. And you haven't broken your glass with any brace or anything?
No, surprisingly. I mean, I had 5 layers of deadener up on the roof, and surprisingly, when it fell down because of the heat, it didn't move. So
that's awesome, man. I like this port design. So are these like, what size are they? 10, 12?
12.5.
12.5 octaves.
12.5, yeah.
Right. Who built this?
Myself and Wretched Audio, actually. Eric McIntosh.
Awesome. All right. Can I see the back real quick?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Oh, there we go.
Real hard.
Oh, there we go. Wow. Woo. Oh, I've seen this picture before. So these are the 3 of y'all's 100 amp hour lithium.
That's correct.
Okay.
And the back doors are ugly, but where more business is.
So you got 2 of the amps, and then okay, there we go. Wow. And y'all really built into that vehicle.
Yeah.
Nice cabin building. Nice, man. I like that way you got your logo for your brand, Underground Power. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we've actually got that LED lit inside of it, as
Yeah.
well as we've got 5 rows of LEDs back and forth on the
There you
inside.
go. At nighttime, that looks good, I bet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
See what I can find here real quick.
An amp per coil, so that means 2 amps for 1 sub.
That's correct.
Wow. But they're teams, so they're 5K RMS rated, so I think they'll handle it pretty good.
5K RMS, 20K on a burp, I believe.
Burp,
That's what they
okay.
But then we were at Lafayette a few weeks ago and I noticed that I was like,
doors open. Oh man.
All right, ready to get sealed up?
Sure. Yeah. So shut this door.
Yep, gently.
Oh, sorry. That was a little not
You're
gently.
fine.
Wow. So what frequency does it like, you think, with the door closed and all?
in the 30s, 40s,
The
there
30s.
somewhere. I'm not sure, to be quite honest with you.
All right.
Call 1-800. It's the shit.
That hits the high note, the low note, and the medium hurt, so it hits everything.
Yep.
Very musical build, man. Nice job.
I appreciate it.
And it has it doesn't even, the subs are doing good.
Yeah.
Nice job. You built the enclosure right, too. I like it.
16 and a half.
Awesome.
That's right down the road of what they recommend.
What they recommended for the power. All right.
It's the shit. It's the shit.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.